10E, number 1. For the men aged 18 through 24 in Haynes 5, the ones who were 63 inches tall averaged 138 pounds in weight. True or false? The ones who weighed 138 pounds must have averaged 63 inches in height. So if I told you a man is 63 inches tall, how much does he weigh? We would guess 138. But if I told you a man weighed 138, would we guess that he was 63 inches tall? And the answer is no. So here's the average, which I think is 69,180. Okay. So over here is a man that's 63 inches tall, and here is 138. Okay. So 138 is the middle of this column. But is 63 the middle of that row? No, it's not. If we put this in terms of fathers and sons, so let's say that the average for fathers was 70 and the average for sons was 70. If we had a dad who was 65 inches tall, we would expect his son to be taller or shorter than 65. So if we had a dad that was 65 and the X average is 70 and the Y average is also 70. If a dad is 5 inches shorter than average, we would expect his son to be short, but taller than him. So father and son, we would expect the son to be 66 or 67, somewhere in there, right? Because we're regressing towards the mean. That's called the regression effect. So of all dads 65 inches tall, the average of their sons will be bigger than 65. Otherwise, we have super short and super tall people. Now let's flip that around. If I took a son that was 65 inches tall, would we expect his dad to be taller or shorter than him? Taller. Yes. Sorry, I got confused. 66 or 67. For the same reason, right? If short sons always had dads that were shorter than them, then we're moving in the wrong direction. So what this is saying is, if we use father's heights to predict sons' heights, the answer will be closer to the average than we started. Likewise, if we use son's height to predict father's heights, the father's heights will be closer to the average, which is why you need two different equations. You can't use the same equation to predict x's that you use to predict y's. It just doesn't work. Okay. 2, in Pearson's study, the son of a 72-inch father only averaged 71 inches in height. True or false? If you take the 71-inch sons, their fathers will average about 72 inches in height. So in this one study, if you look at just the 72-inch fathers, then their sons, the sons of the 72-inch fathers averaged out to be 71. So if you take the 71-inch sons, their fathers will average about 72 inches in height. True or false? So if we had 72, 71, so if I show you 72 and we predict 71, if we do it the other way around and I show you 71, are we going to predict 72? No. It's a different equation. So, not true. All right, that's it.